Welcome to New Delhi, India's vibrant capital city, where history meets modernity and every corner has a story to tell. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, there's always something new and exciting to discover. Here are 10 fun things you absolutely must do when in New Delhi. Number 1 on our list is a visit to the iconic Red Fort. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a symbol of India's rich history and was once the main residence of the Mughal emperors. Take a stroll through its expansive courtyards, admire the intricate Mughal architecture, and don't miss the evening light and sound show that brings the history of the fort to life. Next, dive into the chaotic charm of Chandni Chowk, one of Delhi's oldest and busiest markets. From aromatic spices and street food to vibrant textiles and jewelry, Chandni Chowk offers a sensory overload that's quintessentially Delhi. And don't forget to try the famous paranthas at Paranthe Wali Gali. A trip to New Delhi isn't complete without a visit to India Gate. This war memorial stands as a tribute to the soldiers who lost their lives in World War I. Take a leisurely walk around the monument, enjoy an ice cream from a nearby vendor, or simply relax on the lawns, soaking in the atmosphere. Humayun's tomb is another architectural marvel you can't miss. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is the final resting place of Mughal Emperor Humayun and is often considered a precursor to the Taj Mahal. Wander through the well-maintained gardens and admire the symmetry and grandeur of this stunning monument. Standing tall at 73 meters, Qutub Minar is the tallest brick minaret in the world and a masterpiece of Indo-Islamic architecture. Explore the surrounding Qutub complex, which includes ancient ruins and the famous Ain Pillar that has stood the test of time without rusting. For a unique shopping experience, head to Delhi Haat, an open-air market that brings together craftspeople from all over India. Here, you can shop for handmade textiles, jewelry, and artifacts, and enjoy delicious regional cuisines from various states at the food stalls. Take a moment of peace and reflection at the Lotus Temple, a Baha'i house of worship known for its unique flower-like architecture. Open to people of all faiths, the temple's tranquil atmosphere and beautiful gardens make it a perfect spot to unwind. Step into a world of spirituality and stunning architecture at the Akshardham Temple. This modern marvel showcases traditional Indian art and culture through its detailed carvings, exhibitions, and the breathtaking musical fountain show in the evening. New Delhi is a food lover's paradise, and there's no better place to indulge than Connaught Place. From chaat and golgappas to kebabs and kulfi, the variety of street food here is sure to satisfy your taste buds. Don't leave without trying the famous Chole Bhature. End your Delhi adventure with a peaceful walk in Lodi Gardens. This beautiful park is home to historical tombs, picturesque pathways, and abundant greenery. It's the perfect spot for a morning jog, a leisurely picnic, or simply to enjoy nature in the heart of the city. From historic landmarks to bustling markets and serene gardens, New Delhi is a city that never ceases to amaze. So, when you visit, make sure to experience these 10 fun things that truly capture the spirit of India's capital. Thanks for joining us, and happy travels!